What are the key steps in the divorce process? Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If you're considering divorce, you may be wondering what the step-by-step process looks like. Understanding each phase can help you navigate the divorce smoothly and avoid unnecessary delays. Today, we'll go over the key steps in the divorce process so you know what to expect. The first step is filing the divorce petition. One spouse must complete and submit a petition for dissolution of marriage, FL 100, along with a summons, FL 110, to officially start the divorce process. These documents outline the basic details of the divorce, including requests for child custody, spousal support, and property division. Next, the other spouse must be served with divorce papers. Proper service is required by law, meaning a third party, not the filing spouse, must deliver the documents. After being served, the responding spouse has 30 days to file a response, FL 120, if they want to contest any part of the divorce. One of the most important steps is financial disclosure. Both spouses must exchange income and expense declarations, FL 150, and schedules of assets and debts, FL 142, to provide full transparency about their financial situation. This step is essential to ensure fair division of property, child support, and spousal support. We've worked with clients who didn't realize financial disclosures were required, causing unnecessary delays. In one case, a couple thought they could finalize their divorce without them, but their judgment was rejected by the court. After properly completing their disclosures, they were able to finalize their divorce without further issues. At Divorce 661, we handle every step of the divorce process, ensuring all forms are filed correctly and deadlines are met. Whether you need help with filing, serving papers, or drafting a settlement agreement, we streamline the process to avoid costly mistakes. Recently, we helped a client whose case was stuck due to improperly filed documents. By reviewing and correcting their paperwork, we got their divorce back on track, and they finalized it within weeks. If you're ready to start the divorce process and want to make sure everything is handled correctly, visit Divorce661.com today for a free consultation. We'll guide you through each step and ensure your divorce is finalized as quickly and smoothly as possible.